So currently, it's different on the .com.au than it is to the .com. So the way they've got things set up currently, and I suspect, and I'll explain why they probably got it this way in a second. But what's happening is, when you are using a coupon code on the .com.au website, and you come to add to cart, and you go through the add to cart process, proceed to checkout, go buy something. Hopefully I haven't got my one-click ordering on, otherwise I'm buying pans. All right, so I'm going to deliver it to, let's deliver it to Raw Local, there you go. So the checkout process is, when you enter your coupon code, it doesn't come up, it doesn't come up as a discounted off the price. It kind of comes up in a different sort of way to the way that it works on Amazon.com. And I suspect, so it comes up like this, look, got a promotional balance here. So it comes up like that. And I suspect the reason for that is that the back-end infrastructure on the .com.au site is catching up with things like running PPC and running promotions and things like that. If you look at the Seller Central on the .com.au, it is a limited version of the .com, and that is very, very normal. When it was in India, for instance, and Amazon first launched in India, Seller Central was it almost looked like a beginner's platform compared to the more advanced options available on the .com, and it's kind of the same for the .com.au. So Che, yes, I've seen it. Yes, I don't know exactly why, but I suspect it's because of that. But don't worry, your coupon codes are still working, everything's still there. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.